You will turn heads in this 2006 Mazda RX-8 Coupe from Phillipsburg Easton Honda. Let the acceleration push you into the black seats as you put the pedal down to the 1.3-liter engine. Mill through its 6-speed manual transmission to its rear-wheel drive with limited slip differential. Then put the windows down and turn up the tunes with the AM/FM stereo, CD player, in-dash single CD player and more. In addition to getting you there fast, this coupe will also get you there safely with fog lights, 4-wheel ABS brakes, front ventilated disc brakes and more. We would love to talk to you more about this RX-8. Please contact us for more information.